In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Onn Bluetooth Party speaker is not working anymore. Maybe it's not connecting to your phone, or maybe you have other issues. So there are two things you can do. First of all, there is a reset button in the back. I will show you how to do it in just a few seconds, where you can reset the whole unit so it will be like brand new. It's a factory reset. It will delete every connection it had in the past. So that's one option. But if you simply want to try something else before doing this extreme method, I mean extreme because everything is deleted, what you can do is to go on your phone. So on your iPhone or Android phone or computer, go into the Bluetooth settings, find the speaker here, Onn Party Speaker, tap on the eye icon. If you're on iPhone, on Android it should be almost the same, tap on the device. And here you're gonna select forget this device, forget device. So now both of these are disconnected. You completely erased the speaker from your smartphone. Next step, on your Bluetooth speaker, turn it off. Okay, press the power button.
Power off.
Then power it on. Then you're gonna double tap the Bluetooth icon, the Bluetooth button here.
Bluetooth pairing.
And select at the end of the Bluetooth list Onn Party Speaker. It will connect again.
Bluetooth connected.
And now try them, and hopefully you won't have any issues after doing this. If not, let me show you how to reset it. Go on the back and you're gonna see there's a small flap over here. Simply open it. Okay, and you will see the reset button over there. You see between the microphone knob and this USB input, there's a small hole, very small, that says reset. You will need a needle, a paper clip, something very small that can go into it. So over here I have a SIM eject tool, the one that comes with your phone usually. The speaker needs to be turned on. Okay, you see it's turned on. And you're gonna go ahead and keep this pressed during 5 seconds. So I'll go 2, 3, 4, 5, then release. The speaker is now turned off. It turned off by itself. And all you have to do at this point is to power it on. Wait.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing.
And here we go. It has been resetted and it's now ready to get paired with your device once again. Hopefully this will solve your issue, and please don't forget to put back this flap. If you don't put it back and there's water going inside, well, your speaker won't work after that. All right, perfect. So this is how you reset your Onn Party speaker. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.